lovelies, how are you doing? Good evening, good afternoon. Greetings everyone, depending on wherever you're watching me from. My good names are McLean Luvandwa Ashona from Kenya, East Africa, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel at McLean987_KE. So I want to start preparing dinner, and today I'm going to have spinach and ugali. Ugali is a staple food in East Africa. Most of the people do eat ugali at night. Ugali gives us energy, guys. So let's start by preparing our spinach. Today we are doing spinach and ugali and maybe some eggs or milk. Yeah. So people, here is my spinach. I bought this spinach at 50 bob. I've already washed once. Now this is the second round of me washing it. The first round, of course, I washed on a running water. This is the second round of me washing it. So I want to wash my spinach and put it here so that all the water can come out of it. Yeah, all the water, so that it's dry. And today I'm going to do only spinach and ugali and some milk or eggs. So join me as I prepare my dinner. And guys, stay tuned for more videos, cooking videos, my daily routine from morning to evening. So there is the spinach. There is my spinach, and then what I'll do like this. And put it here on top of this basin so that the water can drain all of it to this basin. So my good people, it's raining outside. I don't know if you can hear me. And I'm going to start preparing dinner. I'll start by cutting the spinach into smaller sizes. how I normally do when I'm cooking spinach with ugali. I'm done cutting my spinach. Let's start cooking. So I'll be using 2 small onions because they're very small. So here are my onions, and I'll be using the 2 tomatoes. So here is my spinach. Here's my spinach. Let's start cooking. So I light fire. Where's the first? Ati mama, acha makelele. Acha makelele, nachukua video. So my spinach is ready. My spinach is ready. Let me just cook ugali now. Nipike sa ugali. There is my spinach, very ready. Time to start cooking ugali. Let's start cooking ugali. And today we are doing white ugali, not yellow, not brown, but white. Here's my ugali. It's ready. Time for me to go and enjoy. Yeah. Looking for a knife. Yeah. Umwaga maziwa kwa kikombe ama bado? Si ninakwambia umwage ama uje? Nikuje nimwage. Hi, I'm coming.
Mami, mimi kutosha.
My daughter is helping me out.
Mimi kutosha.
Ongeza kidogo. She is helping me out. Thank you, baby girl.
Welcome.
Hii imetosha sasa. Haya. Let's do this. Ni yako. Imekutosha. Taka spinach nyingine inaongezanga damu kwa mwili.
Msaida ndio muhimu.
Nilikwambia utoe ile hapo kwa meza. So guys, that's for today. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you always for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching, subscribing. Thank you so much. For my returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you. For the new subscribers, welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you on the next vlog, guys. Bye.